Focus. Yeah, but focus us even. Oh! Attaboy, Nick. Attaboy, Nick. Attaboy, Nick.
I get flash.
Hey!
Oh, they're all over you, Teach. I have bots.
Hold on.
Go.
Hold on.
There
Yeah.
you go.
Up top left, Jake. And right too.
Another one there.
Come on.
Watch it. Keep left now. Clip that.
Dude, how do I get out?
Just press Y.
Oh, okay. Good night, B. Good night, B.
No! Yeah, mine don't though. Oh! Oh, let me hit it! Oh, let me hit it! Where is somebody? Ah! Oh my god, dude, I hit it. Yo, what the fuck?
You know, I'm not in the moment, you know?
Go on, Jake.
Oh, Jake! Oh, you're silly.
That's ridiculous. We're gonna lose.
Are you gonna get? Oh, Hitmarker's weak. Are you gonna get?
Oh! Jake, that was nasty.
18 sensitivity.
Clip that, dude. Hey, he got me. Oh my god! Clip that too, Jake. Shit. Oh my goodness.
Like, oh. 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 Oh.
Yeah, no.
Nick, I just hit a 5 on!
You better hit a
I did! I just missed a 6 on too!
Complete the mission, soldier. The only one left.
I have a sentry gun. Oh, Jake. Oh, I'm sorry, Jake. I split Jake.
Let me go. Let me go. Dom, what I just hit though? Oh, fuck! It was a 5 on with 2 no scopes at the end. That's lit. Oh! No! Dude, I hit markered it, I think! No!
30 seconds. Time's up. Move your asses. We're planting the bomb. Watch your arms.
Good shit.
Oh, go on. Fuck her, bro.
Go on, baby.
Please, scream it for me.
On my dead body. Eric, you're right.
Oh, yeah, behind me. I didn't know.
In the house.
Oh, baby.
Go in there.
Bomb's right
How
down.
are you
the bomb.
smart though? To the left in there.
Oh, goodness.
Right?
Oh, my God.
Was that shit poking up from? Ah.
Oh.
Damn.
On the toilet.
Take a shit.
Oh, you got
Yeah, he's gonna assassinate this.
1 minute remaining.
He wants the last kill, though.
Dude, she killed this kid. Kill this kid.
You have everything unlocked from level 1 in Ghosts, right?
Yeah.
Like, I'll just stay on this account.
I'm gonna swap. It's gonna be a fucking nightmare. Hold on.
Here, you don't even have to unlock fucking anything. You don't even have to unlock
Oh shit.
attachments. You just buy them, right?
Yeah, I literally just went all the way down and accidentally clicked delete on instead of close app. Oh
Delete
no.
What'd you just delete?
MW.
Oh, alright, well, it'll take you 2 days to install it again.